Student records is deliberately not the pupil page. The pupil page is today, their plan, their lessons, what they owe. This is the permanent record, the things that must still be true in 10 years, when the child has left and someone writes asking for a transcript. Search for a pupil and open them. Everything here is per child, and every tab answers a question a school gets asked in writing. The diploma audit is the first tab because it is the question everyone actually asks: can this child graduate, and if not, what is missing? It reads the graduation program the pupil is enrolled on and measures their credits against its requirements. Bashir is on the Cambridge Primary Completion Certificate and sits at 50%, 7 credits of the 14 required. Underneath, the breakdown by category, and this is the useful part: core subjects 4 of 6, Islamic studies and Quran 2 of 4, languages nothing at all. Amber means a gap, green means done. Nobody had to work that out, it is the credits below, counted against the requirements the program defines. Credits is what feeds that audit. Each row carries how many credits, the category it counts toward, the grade, and where it came from. Add credit records a new one, and the source list is the point: a course completed here, a transfer from another school, credit recovery, an exam, work experience, or a plain manual entry. Choose external transfer and it asks which school, so the provenance survives the child. That is how a pupil arriving mid-schooling from another country keeps what they earned instead of starting again, and you can see one on this record already: Mathematics, B+, transferred in from Horst Primary in Hargeisa. Promotions is the end-of-year decision, recorded rather than remembered. Record decision takes the academic year and the outcome: promoted, promoted with conditions, retained, credit recovery required, or graduated. Choose the conditional one and it asks you to write the conditions, which is the whole point of having it: a child moving up on the understanding that they will catch up in maths needs that understanding somewhere next year's teacher will find it, not in the head of whoever made the call. Every decision is stamped with who decided and when, and the stage they moved from and to. I am cancelling rather than recording a decision on a pupil mid-year. Competency is the Cambridge view of the same child, and it is the finest grained record the platform holds. Pick a syllabus: English as a second language, computing, mathematics, science, and it lays out that syllabus by stage, by domain, and then by individual learning objective, with what this pupil has evidenced against each one. Every objective here reads no evidence, and that is an honest answer rather than a broken screen. It means nothing assessed has been mapped to that objective for this child yet. As exams and worksheets get tagged to objectives, this fills in by itself, and the gaps become the thing ahead of department plans around. Files is the cumulative folder, the paper that follows a child, scanned. Add file, and the type list tells you what it is for: report cards, transcripts, IEP and 504 documents, immunization records, test scores, correspondence, consent forms, and court or custody orders. Give it a title, upload the document or paste a link to one you already hold, and then the field people skip: retain until. Records have legal retention periods, and a custody order is not a thing you keep forever by accident. Set the date and the folder tells you, rather than you remembering. That is the cumulative record. Keep it properly and a transcript, a transfer certificate and an inspection answer all come out of it without anyone reconstructing a child's history from memory.